What's up everyone? I'm here at Terra Madre in Turin, Italy, and this is the Slow Grains, Slow Bread booth. I'm here with Mimo. He started the Slow Grain project. We're gonna walk around and talk to some of the Arc of Taste Presidia products, and we're gonna talk to some producers that make products that pair really well with bread.
Un saluto a tutti gli amici americani, sperando che anche Slow Grains in USA possa crescere quanto più è possibile e magari in futuro avere anche qualche gemellaggio tra di noi.
Perfect.
This is a Cacio Romano. This is a cheese that we produce only in 6 in Lazio and in the world. To try a special cheese. This is a Cacio Romano. 2000 years of history in one piece of cheese. There you go.
Amazing. Love it.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Filippo. I'm a beekeeper from Azeglio, Canavese. It's between Torino and Valle d'Aosta. We breed almost like 300 hives in Canavese. We are nomad beekeeper, so we move our bees to the mountain to produce wildflower and rhododendron honey from the Alps. And this is a Slow Food Presidia, and now we are here at Terra Madre to present our product.
A little bit less.
Buonasera, ciao ciao.
Wow. I'm in the Presidia tent right now, and I'm at a salt vendor from Sicily. They're gonna tell us a little bit about the salt. As you know, salt is very important in bread making.
Hi, I'm Letizia, and this is the salt from Trapani, Sicily. This type of salt is called integral because it doesn't need chemical treated. In fact, this type of salt is collected by hand even today, and then is left dried in mountain for 8 months. And we take, as you can see here in the picture, then we take only the central part of this mountain, and then it's packaged only in plastic, like that.
Questa è la cipolla di Giarratana, viene prodotta in un piccolo paese in provincia di Ragusa, Giarratana. È una cipolla grande, dolce e molto digeribile.
This is onions comes from Giarratana, a little town from Ragusa. As you can see, it's very big, it's sweety, and it is easier to digest.
Ciao, I am Simona Briganti from Vesuvio, Campania. I represent the Presidio Slow Food Bicocche del Vesuvio Crisommole. We produce ancient variety of apricots, and we do juices and jams with these apricots that are very sweet and they smell so good and they are very delicious.
Hi, I'm Noemi. I'm from the Starte in Cilento. We have the Kacharota. It's a cheese from the Gar. This is the sorpresa of joy, and we'll wait for you in Cilento.
Anchovies are absolutely one of my favorite things to pair with bread and pizza. And right here, I've got someone fishing anchovies in the traditional way, harvesting them one by hand, and we're gonna talk to them and find out why they're so special.
Hello, I'm Serena and I produce alici di menaica. This is an anchovies that the fisherman takes one by one from the net. They lost all the blood in the sea and the taste is sweeter. And this is the product of the Presidio.
One of my absolute favorite things to eat with bread is olive oil, and I'm gonna talk to a producer who's making olive oil from ancient olive groves. My man from Puglia.
My oil is in Puglia, Gargano. The variety is Marola garganica. Bottle in ceramic, latine, bag in box. Azienda Olivicola Scarano, in Puglia.
In this building, there's over 600 vendors, and all of them are from small farms, small producers from across the country. There's an international booth with international producers, and of course, the best of Italy is here.
Hi, this is the Monte Veronese, Presidio Slow Food, near Verona, in the mountain Lessini, called Lessini. This is 4 different factory, but this is a very similar type of cheese. 12 months aged, and this is the territory.
Thank you. Perfect. The guys behind me right here are producing some prosciutto and some other cured meats. This is from Tuscany. They're in the Presidia. I tried to ask them, they don't speak a lot of English, but I do want you to see what they're making because it's amazing. And then over here, we've got some melons and some pumpkins. One of my favorite things to eat with bread ever is copa. It comes from the back of the neck of the pig. This family's been producing copa since 1846, and we're gonna talk to them and see why this is so special.
Hello, this is the Marola. It's produced in Piacenza. We are a family, we produce like cured meat since the 19th century. And this is a very ancient recipe that we took and we made it again because it was going on loss. It's all made from pigs in a little factory, only from his family, who is he's the producer. We made all by hand. This is the Marola and the copa, yes.
Right here we've got a mill. This producer is growing ancient grains themselves and milling them in a stone mill. We're gonna talk to them and find out what they do. I mean, just check out this mill right here. It's almost like a smaller version of the new American stone mill that we use.
We grow ancient grains and also olive trees that are very old, centuries old. And we are in the San Vito dei Normanni area in Puglia, in the protected area of Takoyaki.
Coltiviamo prettamente grani antichi, il senatore Cappelli biologico.
So we grow basically only ancient grains, like for example the Senatore Cappelli organic. And we grow the grains looking for an organic and regenerative agriculture.
Questa è una semola integrale di Senatore Cappelli, macinata a pietra.
Amazing. Yeah, I love it. This is so good. Fresh milled, stone milled, doesn't get any better. Thank you so much. This is a sheep's milk cheese.
Yeah.
And it is from Abruzzo.
Questo?
Pecorino.
Yeah, from Parindola.
So if you're watching this video, you might realize that this is not the typical bread video that I make, but the hope is that if you're watching this, maybe you will make some better decisions about the purchases that you make back home. Supporting local farmers, finding great producers, and really making a difference and an impact in the food chain. All the people here are really small farms, really small producers, and it's up to us to make the right decisions. These products can be served with bread, eaten with bread, or of course used in the bread. All right, so we are heading now to one of my favorite producers at the entire Terra Madre. It actually has nothing to do with bread, but it is made with flour. This guy is diving for octopus and making takoyaki, which is a street food from Osaka. I'm gonna show you, and I'm so excited to eat one. I've actually eaten one every day that I've been here.
Ciao! We from Japan. I caught this octopus. And Takoyaki is Japan's needs local foods.
In Osaka.
Osaka street food.
Yeah.
I used to live in Osaka.
Oh yeah.
15 years. I worked in Osaka in a kaiseki restaurant.
Yeah.
1 Michelin.
Takoyaki!
I've been at Terra Madre now for 4 days. This has been an absolutely amazing conference. I've met so many amazing people, producers, farmers, chefs, just people that are really making a difference and really care about food. I've had so many just mind-blowing conversations. Terra Madre happens every 2 years, so if you're interested, make sure you come to the next one in Turin. I hope to see you there. I haven't had a lot of sleep this week, so I gotta go get some rest because I have an early flight home tomorrow, and I'll see you back in the baking studio with a whole bunch of new ideas.